Hi guys, welcome to the active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on comments on YouTube. Let's go to YouTube first. Then what you're going to do is you'll find here on top right corner your profile icon. Click on this profile icon, then go YouTube Studio. Then what you're going to do is you'll find here settings icon or the settings option. Click on settings. After go to settings, you must go to this option upload defaults, then go here advanced settings, then scroll down a bit and you'll find here this comments option, which is hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, but if you want allow all comments, just click on this, and what you're gonna do is click on save. After click on save, your all comments will be turned on. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.